Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the skin burn detection using Python and the image processing. User have to upload any input image of skin burn and model will recognize that particular image and it will make the boundary box and detect that particular skin burn area. This project developed using Python programming language and Techie used to develop the user interface. And this will be the complete dataset. It contains the images with the labeling part. In the notepad, like if you open the notepad file, then it will give the complete labeling part. With the coordinates. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you need that, subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.